Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. One main thing to be thinking about this when you're playing with other people in a situation like this where you're not playing the exact same thing at the same time, careful with your counting. Right, thank you for watching. Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is a round number 24, Itsy Bitsy Spider. I'm going to dedicate this to my friend Peter. Now, in this song, a round, some people start playing at the number 1. When they get to the number 2, others come in at the number 1, and you end up echoing each other. Let's see how well I can do this. And actually, get that set up. Okay, first, a little section here with an old dirty bowl that I use when I empty out my instrument, and I just heard that popping, so get that taken care of. 2, and try again. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.